Yeah, good day everyone. This is Sir Michael from Sir Michael Business Consults, where we give digital creation ideas, tutorials, and a whole lot of information on you on via YouTube and other social media handles. So today we are looking at how to make an intro video or intro maker. So now this is what it means, like an introduction to a movie or animation or any commercial you are doing. Sometimes it could be your logo or anything that will come before the actual video shows up. So we go, our app that we are using is Intro Video Maker. So you kindly click on this app or you download it from the YouTube if you don't have it as at now. Now you have template and you are saved. So let's look at what I did behind all this. That's about Sir Michael Business Console. So you can share with your friend or use it in a video. So you can see it's now in some of my video that I upload on YouTube. Now, if you are new on this app, you will just go to the templates. So you look at the templates, you go through. We have particle and climax, magic and gaming, a lot of these things. So if you're into GTS and those things, you can use it. We have Christmas. Since we are entering Christmas, you can use these for very good animation to send your friends and family, and they will love it a lot. And we have outro. So after you are done, the outro will help you. So for YouTube users, we can use this. So if you want to use this one, you can go to watch now. So you have to watch out right. So once the app is done, we go to download, then use. So after this, I'll teach you how to do the logo, one that I did for myself, but it followed the same process and criteria. So let's wait till everything is done. Now you see there is an image here. You click on the image. You see the edit symbol. Click on the edit. You are going to insert your logo or any media you want to put there. So it's better you arrange your media in where a safer place where you can get easy. Now click on the open here and it will open an app. Click on the sure. Once we are sure about that, now that is how our image will look like. Now there's something called shape. You can click on the shape if only you want it. We have art, we have logo and the rest. If you haven't downloaded them, you are new to this app, it will tell you to download. So I have downloaded them already, so there's no need for me. So maybe I can pick this one for now. Let me look out and get something better for myself. So you look at the one that appeals to you. It's not forced to use any, so you can decide not to choose. But maybe people will love to explore. That is why I am trying to show all these things. So let me pick this for the purpose of this video. You click on the, now you see it has appeared here. If you click on color, this is how it will show. If you want to zoom in or out, you do it here, because the main thing here is your design. Here is my Sir Michael Business Console. It has to be seen at all cost. There is no way I don't have to show this, because that is what I want to review. You click on the correct sign if you are okay with that. Now we still have a shape here, so we can edit this as well. What are we going to put there? Let me put this our animation class here. Then I'm sure I click on sure. There's another one as well. What do I want to put here? Maybe I go to edit. For this I don't want shape. Then I look at this our cartoon animation guy here. I click on show. Now if you click on apply, you are done. You might not be able to get back. So look at the image that we have here. Now we can add a music and effect. Effect talks about what you want to do. So maybe color, some things that will splash around. Those that you haven't downloaded, you can download and use them. But we have to watch an ad. Seconds and you are done. If you want it, you select it. You can apply up to 3 effects, so you can't take more than that. So maybe I want to add this one. It is applying. Then maybe you can choose just one. Don't waste time or effort on all of them. remember a great design is the one that remove unnecessary details. But I'm just showing all the details so that if you need them. So now we have all three effects. The one that I just downloaded, this one. So now let me show you something. If I want to add a fourth one, look at what they will tell me. You see, so I can only do three. Now music, you select the music that you want. But you like it, fine. You don't like it, like I don't like this one, you click on no. This one, wow, someone whistling, I don't like it. So let me pick it again. Now let's check something. You see the effects, they don't go to the end of the show. So what you can do is you can align them. You can let all the effects happen at the same time, or you can decide to make some come before the other. You hold and drag. If you want to increase the length of the effect, you just drag the top here, or you just drag this end. So all depends on you, the creator of the video. So now you see, good enough, our music here can reach. Perhaps sometimes the music will not be lengthy enough. What you do is you go and add another music to it. So now, because the music is already having this length of the movie, we can decide to have. So now what do we do next? You can preview. So you click on the play, then you see the preview. Very good. It seems our image didn't come, so we go back to edit. So we can go back to the image. We click on the image, then you select what we added. So it means our image that we selected didn't pick. So you go to quick edit, then you come and change your images. So let's go to the place again. So these are some of the effects that you'll be getting. So now let me click this one first, click this one second. Okay, let me take this one. I'm sure of it. So now it has shown. Let's come to this point, edit. I didn't click apply, so that is the problem I'm having. So I apply, it will process it. You come to this image again, then you go to quick edit, then you go and pick the other one that you want. Let me take my cartoon guy here. I click on show. Now let me come here and pick my logo, Sir Michael Business Consults logo. So be very sure everything saves or load. If you are in a rush, you might miss some things as demonstrated in this video. So now all of these things have shown. What do I do now? Then you click on apply, or else they will not save. Let me go and preview. Has now shown. So that is how to do it. But it seems that my logo couldn't come, so you can change, tap and hold, then you have it. So if you're okay with this, you move on. If you don't like it that way, if you're okay with it, you click on the export video. You wait for it to finish exporting. It might take some time, but just keep on waiting. Watch So we have some few minutes left for everything to finish exporting. You wait and keep your fingers crossed. Because this has more than one scene, that's three scenes, it will take a very long time than the first one that I did. So after this, I will just go through the logo reveal or intro maker. Then we are done. This was an outro. So maybe after your YouTube video, you can do something like this. People should like and subscribe. If you like it, you use it, or you can make a better design like this. This was just to introduce to you how to do it. You know what you want. So once you get to know the ideas, you can create wonderful, better designs than what I am using to teach you for the purpose of these lessons. So you keep on waiting till everything is true. Very good. Now everything has been. Now you have to click save to gallery so that you get the backup, or else you might lose it, or you can share as well. So now, be sure to get that. So now let's go. You can see it in my saved. So that one has been saved. Let's go to template, a very quick one. Let's look at particles and climax. So this time we are taking let's pick this one and see. So you watch an ad as well. You can see this everyone has been granted. So once you have finished downloading, we have to go through the same process as we did the first one. You see the image here, you click on edit. You go and search for your image. I will use my logo, that's Michael Business Consult. I go to my file and I pick it here. So I pick this one. I go to show because I'm sure what am I doing. Now, if you want a shape, as I showed earlier, if you want a shape, cute one, you can go for cute. If you want something cute, maybe for this time, let's try this and see. So don't just click, this one is like a quotation, maybe you're quoting something. Let me go for the logo as well. I think the logo appears more to me than this. So you take your time, then you zoom in or out so that it covers your, make sure your business, everything is shown. So you can also rotate it because I want the design to show, but it wasn't showing. Then I zoom a little bit, you orientate it. Let me bring it closer. Bit. Okay, so now I have my Semica Business Console. So you look at those logo designs, the one that will fit. It will be like a cover over your original logo design that you are doing. So you check for the one that best fits or the one that appeals better to you. So you see that there's some text there, your channel and your logo here. So you put your logo at where it says your logo here and your channel. You can write type the name of your channel. So you make the edit according to your preferences. So your slogan, if you have a slogan, then you type the slogan there. If for instance my picture, there's a Michael Business Consult is there, so I don't need two different taglines or two different text. So I can either delete the channel and write my slogan at where the slogan is, or I can delete the slogans text and write my channel, depending on how I want the text to appear. So I will delete the channel, then I'll write this my slogan, transforming businesses through digital solutions. So once I delete the channel, there will not be no text like your channel. If you don't delete it, then your channel will appear on your design, and that will not be better. It will be like having watermark on your logo or design. So you delete one of them. So you can also do your change styles. So you can look at the styles and the backdrop that they are giving. So this one, it has a stroke column, say shadow. So, and now these are the basic colors that you can pick from, preset colors. So the color that best suits. So you have to change the color combination and the visibility of the color. Then as well, you can change the font. So you can just explore, look at the font size, the backdrop, and the text color. the one that is very, very visible. That is the one you are is recommended to choose. This one doesn't look weird. This one looks better than the previous one. This one too is not very clear, not that good. So check the visibility. This one looks very clear. So transforming business through solutions. You can use something like that on this our intro. So now we look at the synchronization. We are just trying to add some music and background sound effect. So you just check the alignment. So if you want to edit the image, you can edit it. So since the image wasn't picked or it wasn't saved, so I have to go back to my folder, then look at the logo. That's the SMBC logo. Then you click on that. So once it comes, it will appear over there. So make sure any changes that you effect you save. So you see the apply button there. I didn't click it at the first time. That is why I had that issue. So you click on the apply, and if you want to add a shape, you quickly move through the shapes and select the one that best fit. You orient it very well so that your logo, the most important thing, will show, or the image or tagline you want us to see has to be shown. So that's the most important thing. So I keep scrolling till I get what appears better. You just orientate it. If you can cover it and you still have your image in a classy way, that would be good. So I have to make sure the consult come. If there's a way I cannot trace it, then it still look nice. So you do it as to how it appeals to you, make it very nice. If you want it that way, then you click on the apply. So now let's preview it. The image will come, that's my logo, will come before, like maybe some 3 or 4 seconds. Now we can add some effects also to it. So you have to download the effects before you can apply. And one thing is you can apply at most 3. So you have to watch. I want to add 3 so that at least we can prove and show that it's 3. And you have to watch and add. So that one is imbibed in this application. Yeah, the app is done now. We may rewarded with the opportunity to download. So together, so don't, as recommended, you don't use 2 or 3 conflicting let me say effect. You see, the first one was more of fire, or let me say goldish color, and the other one was like color. So that it blends together. Someone might not even know it's 2 different effects. But if I bring this and I bring something greenish or something purplish, so now you can also make the changes. You see the effect. They are not aligned. You can align them by holding and pulling it to the direction that you want. For the effect, you can extend them to any limit. If it is 1 second, you can make it even 100 minutes. But with the sound effect, if it is 30 seconds, it's 30 seconds. If it doesn't ring the end of your intro, what you have to do is you have to copy and duplicate. So you double tap on it, you duplicate, or you can go to the sound and reapply another or the same sound. And some of the sounds are pro version. So if you add it, you can download because you've not subscribed or subscribe to the premium. But if you subscribe to the premium, you are okay to use the pro. So once you are not subscribed, you enter the system, you look at form and music. So you have the groups or the genre. I chose 3 of them. You can choose romantic, acoustic, and all these things. So when it comes, you see the name of my MP3 over there. So the sound effect intro. So I just rearrange them so that right after the first music ends, the next one will move on and there will be no overlap. You can choose to make them overlap, but if that sounds good, fine. So now you rearrange them to the very end, then you preview to see how the effects move on. If you want the effects to overlap, you just realign them. If you want the effects to stop before you see, because there's a thing that I have to see. If the effects are still there, I will not see the St. Michael Business Consoles and the logo tagline. So you see, I couldn't see, so I have to draw it back so that those my text will be visible after everything. So you keep on doing this till everything aligns and you get the best out of your intro maker. This could also be called a logo review. So because it has revealed my logo is an intro and my logo has been reviewed. So this one you are creating it from scratch. There's another app that can help you create it in a very simple way. But I think this look at testing this one, you are choosing how it's supposed to be done. So I think this is even a better way of doing a logo review than using those apps. So now you export, and once you export, you have to also watch some videos because it's not a paid version. If you don't want to be watching videos, you subscribe to the paid versions of the apps. These are ways they also generate traffic leads and get money or paid a little bit from the ads that we are watching. So once it's done, you click on the reward granted, then you wait for the video to export. It will take some time. You have to keep patient. Most of the apps you have to keep it on. Once you receive a call, you leave the background or the foreground, you might lose your data or you might lose the exporting process. Come to think of exporting up to 99% and something happens, data finishes, someone calls, the battery went off, and you have to start back again. That will be a waste of time and a waste of data. So make sure everything, you wait till everything continues. Now it has finished exporting, so we can save to gallery. Click on this. If you don't click on that, you will not have your final work saved. So you can choose another one and you do it. So we are here again watching an ad. So you can choose another template and do different ones. These are the ways that I've done. So this is how to do an intro or logo review. This is Sir Michael Business Consult teaching you animation, tutorials, and a whole lot of things. Can you subscribe to this channel if you loved what you've seen? Put your comment in the comment section if there's anything you would like us to do tutorials on. Catch up with us. Love you. See you another time. Bye bye.